Pause for a moment. Ask yourself this. When was the last time you truly listened to your body? Not through the chatter of your thoughts, not through stress screaming for your attention, but by simply tuning in. Most of us race through life, treating our bodies like a machine programmed to keep going and going without pause. But tonight, we are rewriting that. You are here for a reason, aren't you? Maybe stress has had a grip on your shoulders, or your mind feels like it's on an endless loop, racing between yesterday and tomorrow. Or maybe sleep hasn't been your friend in quite a while. Whatever brought you here tonight, you have shown up for something deeper. Let this be your reminder. You deserve rest. You deserve peace. And you deserve to reconnect with yourself. So, join me in this body scan meditation and anxious practice. One that's not just about relaxation, but about coming home to yourself step by step. And trust me, by the time we finish, something within you will shift. Something will feel lighter, clearer, calmer. You will see. Ready? Let's begin. Close your eyes. Or if you are more comfortable, keep them soft. Just a gentle gaze downward is fine. Wherever you are, find a place where your body can completely relax. Maybe you are lying down in bed or sitting in a cozy chair. Wherever you are, allow yourself this small luxury of letting go. Take in a deep breath through your nose. Pause for breath and exhale it completely. One more time. Let your lungs expand fully as you breathe in deeply. And with your exhale, imagine your body melting, releasing its weight into the surface beneath you. And if you find thoughts creeping in, don't fight them. Just gently remind yourself right now, there's nowhere else you need to be. Now let's begin the journey inward. Start with the top of your head. Feel the crown, this space of connection where the outside world meets the inside. Let your attention rest there for a moment. Imagine a soft golden light gently flowing into this space, clearing any tension, unlocking calm. As you let this energy travel downward, bring your awareness to your forehead. Notice the tiny muscle holding the day's expression. Are they tight? Forward? Allow them to soften. Maybe you even feel your eyebrows move slightly apart, like clouds parting after a storm. Let the golden light wash over, calm, soothing, releasing. Now your focus moves to your jaw. How often do we hold our frustrations, fears, even unspoken words there, tight, clenched, constricted, but not tonight. Tonight, this tension melts away. Imagine it dissolving with each breath out, like steam rising. Feel the jaw slacken. No effort is needed. You are safe. Notice how that energy ripples down into your neck, your throat. Without judgment, feel the weight of the day that lingered there. Imagine it slowly being pulled away, drawn toward the earth, leaving you lighter, freer. Now, bring your focus to your shoulders. These hard-working muscles carry more than we even realize. Sometimes we wear our secrets like a heavy backpack, strapped too tightly. Feel that invisible weight loosening now. Imagine it sliding off, tumbling away into nothingness. Let your shoulders drop down and away from your ears. And as the wave of relaxation flows further down, gently arrive at your arms. Feel them resting, heavy yet free. Notice your hands, these extension of action, and thank them. Yes, thank them for all they do for you. Now, give them permission to rest. Any sensation of tension, lingering energy simply fades. Now, bring that golden flow of attention into your chest. This space, it holds so much. Your worries, your excitement, your sadness, your strength all live here. But tonight, we let it simply be. Feel the rise and fall of your breath. Each inhale, rejuvenating, each exhale, a soft release of anything weighing you down. The wave of attention now travels to your stomach. Let it expand. No judgment here. Just notice how it feels, and with every exhale, imagine any tightness or knots unraveling, untangling, releasing into the ethers. You are lighter now, like a leaf floating on water. Bring your awareness to your lower body. Feel your hips, your thighs, heavy and grounded. Think of your legs, the strength they carry, the weight they bear. And now, let them rest. Let the calming attention flow all the way through your knees, your calves, and finally to your feet. Every step you have taken today, every effort you have made, thank them as you allow them to release that burden. Feel them sink, weightless and free. Take all of this in, your entire body calm, supported, fully at ease. Can you imagine such space becoming your new state of being, where every night you gift yourself this moment? It starts here, it starts now. Remember what I said earlier. Something within you will shift. That's already happening. With every breath you take, your body and mind grow closer, connected, in harmony. Embrace it. And now, as we prepare to return to this moment, take one final deep breath in through your nose. Hold it gently and exhale as if you are releasing all that you no longer need. As you begin to move, wiggle your fingers, maybe roll your shoulders slightly. There's no rush. Transition back gently, remembering what this stillness feels like. Let it carry you forward. Before you go, if you would like to continue deepening this state of calm, I invite you to watch another meditation I have created. How to quiet your racing mind for effortless sleep is waiting for you right here on this channel. Let's continue this. You deserve it. Thank you for letting me guide you. Sleep well.